Good evening, everyone. We are from Group 9. We'll present our topic about implementation of integrated pest management in citrus and Salaca plant. Before we start our topic today, let me introduce my team. There are Ananda Fitrianta S with study number 113, Hanifah Salsabila with study number 114, Aditama Graha with study number 124, and Luthfi Nanda Resta with study number 132. Implementation of integrated pest management on citrus and Salaca plant. Farmers commonly in solving the problem of pest attack use insecticide. The use of insecticide inaccurate and tends to be excessive, resulting in various problems ranging from residues, secondary pest explosion, resurgence, resistance, and status change insect from secondary to primary. Integrated pest management or IPM is an effective and environmentally sensitive approach to pest management that relies on a combination of common sense practice. IPM programs use current comprehensive information on the life cycle of pests and their interaction with the environment. This information, in combination with available pest control method, is used to manage pest damage by the most economical means and with the least possible hazard to people, property, and the environment.
Next is implementation of IPM in citrus plant. First pest is citrus leaf borer or Phylognistic citrellastane. Phylognistic citrellastane or citrus leaf borer is a major pest in the citrus plantation ecosystem. This pest is one of Orchis Lepidoptera. Citrus leaf borer attacks citrus leaves in the dry season or the season when it doesn't rain. Affected lime leaves appear as white and winding lines. When the attack is heavy, the leaves become curly, brittle, and eventually dry. Citrus leaf borer control can be achieved by combining the following components. First is corn cropping patterns with citrus plant. Corn plants can serve as an attraction and shelter for natural enemies, especially from the Coccinellidae tribe, spiders, and black ants. Second is pruning the affected branches, and third is cleaning the garden floor from litter, and then last, pest monitoring every 5 days to find out if there are eggs on the leaf surface to determine the right time to spraying with Turex RBP. Second pest is fruit flies. Fruit flies are one of the factors causing a significant decrease in citrus production. In infected fruit, there is usually a small hole in the middle of the skin. Fruit flies attacks are found mainly on fruit that almost ripe. The damage caused by the larva will cause the fruit to fall before it reaches the desired mature. Fruit flies can be controlled in various ways ranging from mechanical, technical, culture, biology, and chemistry. First, in nature, fruit flies have natural enemies in the form of parasitoids from biosters and obvious and several predators such as ants, gnatwings, pentatomite, ladybugs, and some ground beetles. Second, technical culture control can be done by tilling the soil or turning the soil under the tree or plant canopy with the aim that the pupa are lifted to the soil surface so that they are exposed to sunlight and eventually die. And then last is control by chemical means is carried out using traps or attractants combined with insecticide. The compound commonly used in methyl eugenol. The traps are made of used mineral drinking water bottles with cone-shaped necks or plastic jars, and then traps are placed near the plant or on branches or twigs of citrus plant.
Implementation of IPM in Salaca plant. Salak fruit is a plant originating from Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia, which is a plant that is favored by the community because the fiber contained in it is quite a lot and is beneficial for the health of the human body. The spread of this salak plant reached Indonesia and other places, even to Brunei and Thailand. For optimal growth of salak plant, of course, it not to be separate from the freedom of this horticultural plant from pest attack. If there is a pest attack, the attack level is not dangerous, so the plant can be produced expected, namely a lot of fruits and good quality in cultivating the salak plant. Implementation of IPM in Salaca plant. Oriental fruit fly. Fruit fly cause damage to fruit due to fruit fly require a house or a place to lay eggs so that it can complete its life cycle. Fruit life damage crop by laying their eggs in under the skin of the fruit, then hatch into larva and then consume flesh of fruit. Fruits that is attacked by fruit flies will rot more quickly and fall from the tree prematurely. The method of controlling fruit fly is the installation of MA traps and the conservation of natural enemy by planting refugia. Next, implementation of IPM in Salaca with border. The pest can be damage salak shoot and attack many salak flower, both male and female flower. At high population in one panicle can be found up to several beetles that can damage the female flower petals. Affected female flower can only produce 3 until 4 fruits. Integrated pest control can be achieved by providing protection for fruits bunches from the time of flowering among the by wrapping. Wrapping is one of the efforts to prevent damage to the fruit while it is still on the tree is by packaging the fruit.
Lepidoptera larvae. The initial symptoms are similar to symptoms of a dry plant or lack of water. At first, the leaf turns yellow and the inner clumps and falls, then become bald and the stems become damaged. Integrated control of Lepidoptera larvae can be achieved by combining several control components as follows. The first is technical culture method. First, tilling the soil to a depth of 0.3 meter can directly kill the urat in the topsoil layer and can expose the urat to parasitoids. Second, the use of trap plants include Jayanti, Turi, and Acacia tomentosa. Third, crop rotation. Some plants from the legume family or Leguminosae are not suitable for this pest. Therefore, it can be used as alternative as crop rotation. Next, uh, then biological method. First, the use of parasitoids among others from the family Tipidae and Scolidae. For example, Campsomeris. Second, use of predatory insect from the Asilidae, Tabanidae, Carabidae, Elateridae, Hysteridae, and Formicidae families. Third, other predators. Example is toads or frog or amphibians, ground lizard. Example, Ameiva exults. Then birds. Next, uh, next is Comstock mealybug. This mealybug is usually found at on leaflets, especially near the leaf balls because these insects damage plants by sucking plant fluids. The pest control can be doing by using biological way. Biological control, once applied in California, was carried out using bee parasitoids, namely Tetranemoidea sydneensis and T. peregrina, as well as predator of ladybug nation, Cryptolaimus montrozieri.
And now the conclusion. Application of IPM on horticultural crops such as citrus and salak can be done by means of mechanical control, technical control, biological and mechanical control depending to pest or disease the attack plant. Okay, so this is the end of our presentation today. Thank you for watching and have a great day.